Hi, I'm Tristan. This is my new car. You know, many YouTubers take a Lambo. I take Mercedes. Sponsored by Mercedes. This is not my car. Okay, okay, cut.
Hi, I'm EJ, and this is my car, not Tristan's. Just to make it, okay?
So we're starting our mini journey here. And we're gonna
Put some seatbelt quickly.
safety first. But anyway, we're going to the first spot. Basically, that's where I just recorded the intro for this video. This is actually his car, of course, because I don't get YouTube monies. Patreon now. But yeah, so we're just gonna go to some spots. First for the clip that you already saw, and then for like basically places where you can use the switch, how it is wherever you are. If it makes any difference. Probably not. Let's hope not.
I guess not. My experience with the switches, it doesn't fucking matter where you play. You can play on the fucking wing of a plane. It's fucking beautiful. Also, can you give me any directions because I'm just driving straight?
Well, we're heading back home. For some reason, people kept asking me if we're YouTubers.
Yeah.
So that's kind of all we did. Easy YouTuber money stuff. We kind of made, yeah, shots. That's all. You already saw them, all right? Don't judge. Don't do drugs.
Drive hard. Drive Mustang.